Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, which city is known as the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Srinagar, B. Shimla, C. Jammu, D. Anantnag. The correct answer is option C. Jammu. Next question, which bird is known as the symbol of peace? A. Dove, B. Parrot, C. Peacock, D. Sparrow. The correct answer is option A. Dove. Next question. Name the Indian's as well as world's largest delta. A. Krishna Delta, B. Sundarban Delta, C. Mahanadi Delta, D. Kaveri Delta. The correct answer is option B. Sundarban Delta. Next question. Who is the author of the book named Unbreakable? A. Sachin Tendulkar, B. Yuvraj Singh, C. Milkha Singh, D. Mary Kom. The correct answer is option D. Mary Kom. Next question. Kolkata is situated on the bank of which river? A. Ganga River, B. Narmada River, C. Hooghly River, D. Brahmaputra River. The correct answer is option C. Hooghly River. Next question. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of area? A. Second, B. Seventh, C. Ninth, D. Fourth. The correct answer is option B. Seventh. Next question. Which city is known as the Scotland of India? A. Chennai, B. Kurg, C. Ooty, D. Mumbai. The correct answer is option B. Kurg. Next question. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora are dedicated to which god? A. Lord Buddha, B. Lord Shiva, C. Lord Vishnu, D. Lord Krishna. The correct answer is option A. Lord Buddha. Next question. Earth Day is celebrated every year on A. 2nd October, B. 5th March, C. 22nd April, D. 16th February. The correct answer is option C. 22nd April. Next question. Which of the following states is not located in the north? A. Jharkhand, B. Uttarakhand, C. Haryana, D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option A. Jharkhand. Next question. Gangotri National Park is located in which state of India? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Maharashtra, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Next question. Yakshagana is a famous folk dance of which state? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Pondicherry, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is option D. Karnataka. Next question. Which is the third largest ocean in the world? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Atlantic Ocean. The correct answer is option B. Indian Ocean. Next question. India's largest and oldest Indians Museum is located in which state? A. West Bengal, B. Bihar, C. Maharashtra, D. Kerala. The correct answer is option A. West Bengal. Next question. Which is the most coldest place in India? A. Rohtang, B. Shimla, D. Dras, D. Jammu. The correct answer is option C. Dras. Next question. Nanda Devi Peak is located in which Indian state? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Haryana, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Next question. Which state has the maximum number of forests in India? A. Assam, B. Kerala, C. West Bengal, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option D. Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Who is also known as the light of Asia? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Gautam Buddha. C. Mahavir Swami. D. Swami Vivekananda. The correct answer is option B. Gautam Buddha. Next question. In which city India's first metro rail was introduced? A. New Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is option D. Kolkata. Last question. Jama Masjid is located in which city of India? A. Mumbai. B. Bhopal. C. New Delhi. D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is option C. New Delhi. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.